Good morning, beautiful sunshine. How was your night? This is a 5-minute affirmation meditation to really start with a lot of love, acceptance, and peace into your day, to fully activate your inner power and gain confidence with a 5-minute affirmation meditation. Are you ready? I'm Salina. And feel free to either repeat the sentence internally or even speak them out loud with me. Take a deep inhale and a long exhale. I am ready to start into this day. I'm curious which opportunities this day will open for me. Am I ready to expand my awareness? Am I ready to be more loving, more kind? Am I ready to be the best version of myself? Yes, I'm always ready. So I'm so curious to explore this day. Where will it lead me to? I'm ready to smile. And I know whatever challenge there will come, it's especially that low or that high enough that I can learn from it. I'm growing on each experience I'm having today. Because I know I have the strength, I have the power, and I am supported. Always. I have all the support I need around me. And in every moment, there's exactly the right thing happening. I am at the right time, wherever I need to be. This day is so special, because I allow myself to be fully me. I flow through the whole day with ease, with joy, and fully charged with love. This makes me feel so good. I just love to feel good inside of me. And this is why I can share it. I can share my ease, I can share my love, I can share my knowledge whenever I want, if I want. It's all up to me. And I know I am the creator of my day. And I allow myself to fully invite the love, invite the ease and the pleasure. Where it feels heavy, I might not go. I decide where I want to be, and I choose to love. I choose to be joyful and to explore this day in all its variety, in all the doors which are opening up. Which treasure box is there today? I'm so ready to open it. Ready to open the box of Pandora today. To allow the magic to flow into my day. To allow to feel the love. I am pure love. I am pure freedom. I am so happy to be alive. Thank you. Beautiful day to start with this magical power of mantras. Now I'm ready. Namaste.